Hi guys, my name is Ali. So this video is for those people who keeps on asking me, ano po ba yung front row and paano po ba maging part ng Front Row International? So if you're a student, professional, unemployed, entrepreneur, OFW, and naghahanap po kayo ng opportunity with no boss, no time in time out, no quota, no pressure, but great income, Front Row is best recommended for you. Ang Front Row po, it's a business and marketing company. Meaning, if you're looking for a part-time or a full-time job, the bad news is hindi po trabaho ang ino-offer ng Front Row. But the good news, in my opinion, Front Row is a way lot better than work. Why? Kasi po sa trabaho, we have what we call fixed income. Meaning, if you're earning 20,000 a month, next month po 20,000 pa rin yan. Next month, 20,000 pa rin. After 6 months, after a year, 20,000 pa rin yan. But with Front Row, pwede mo rin kitain yung 20,000. Ang maganda ron, pwede rin pong 30,000, pwede pong 40,000, 50,000, or even 100,000. So, wag po kayong mabibigla if big amount of income po ang pwede niyong kitain sa Front Row. Why? Kasi alam naman po natin na mas malaki po ang potential income sa business compared po sa trabaho. And since it's a business, lahat po ng negosyo ay may tinatawag na products. So here, we have what we call products too, pero hindi po kayo nandito para magbenta-benta. Actually, you have a choice. You may sell and you may not. So, i-discuss ko lang po sa inyo yung background ng company, how we earn, and how to join. And pag nagustuhan niyo po yung Front Row, you can endorse the products and do the business at the same time. Now, Front Row International, we focus on health, beauty, and wellness. Ngayon, i-discuss ko po sa inyo ano po yung mga products that we have in Front Row. The first one is what we call Lux White Enhanced Glutathione. Ang glutathione po, ang alam po ng marami, pampaputi lang siya. Pero ang main effect po talaga ng glutathione, it's for antioxidant. Meaning, it cleanses your body, it cleanses your liver, side effect po niya yung whitening. And meron po tayong dalawang klase ng glutathione in the Philippines. First is what we call reduced type, and second is what we call enhanced type. Yung reduced type po, those are also effective. Kaya lang ang reduced type po kasi, mas effective siya sa injectables. Now, they made an oral type, hindi lang siya kasing bilis ng injectables. But with our enhanced type glutathione, kumbaga pang oral talaga siya. Mas mataas po yung absorption rate niya. Kaya minsan may mga tao nagsasabi sa akin na, Ali, naguglutan naman ako pero hindi ako pumuputi. Kasi depende po yun sa absorption rate po ng glutathione na tinatake nyo. And kumbaga dito, depende din po yan sa lifestyle. Kasi if a person smokes or drinks, mas matagal po yung effect niya compared po dun sa mga healthy living. Kasi, since cleansing muna siya, yun po mismo yung unang effect niya. And then after that, yung side effect po, yun po yung whitening. Now, yung second product naman po natin is what we call Lux Protect Pure Grapeseed Extract. Now, ang grapeseed po, it's from the source of vegetable oil. Meaning, it's good for the heart. And at the same time, it's 50 times more powerful than vitamin C and 20 times ng vitamin E. Para kang 50 times na nag-ascorbic acid and 20 times na vitamin E. And then, yung third product naman po natin is what we call Lux Slim, L-carnitine and green tea. Now, with this kind of L-car, hindi po ito yung pampapayat na every now and then magbabanyo-banyo ka. It's a slimming product in which papapawisan ka naman. So kung nag-gym ka, nag-exercise ka, or yung simpleng gawaing bahay mo everyday, ang maganda doon, yung fats mo, kino-convert siya into energy. And then yung toxins mo, na-excrete siya through sweat or pawis. Now, yung fourth product po natin, which is yun po yung bestseller ng company, is what we call Lux Renew 8-berry extract. So 8 berries po na pinagsama-sama. It's pomegranate, noni fruit, blackberry, cranberry, acai berry, mangosteen, goji berry, and blueberry. So ang effects po nila would be anti-aging, weight loss, anti-diabetes, anti-cancer. Actually, lahat na nga ng anti-kinuha na niya eh. And if you're gonna ask me, bakit ito po yung product na naisip i-market ng Front Row? Simply because ito po ang gusto ng Pinoy. Ang gusto lang naman ng Pinoy would be whitening, slimming, anti-aging, and vitamins. Now, of course, all the permits that we need, lahat po yan meron tayo. Even awards, meron din po tayo yan sa company. So, ito namang picture na to, ito po yung nag-grand opening po ang Front Row sa main office, which is Quezon Avenue, Quezon City, last January 23 of 2012. And ito po yung itsura ng office natin. This is the main office. And aside from our main office, marami na rin po tayong branches all over the Philippines. And aside from Philippines, even international po, meron na din po ang Front Row. So ang first office po natin outside the country is Dubai. Ngayon meron na din po tayong Qatar, Abu Dhabi, and marami pa pong parating na iba't ibang bansa pa in which mag-o-open na rin po ang Front Row. So I'll introduce to you the two owners of Front Row. This is Direk R.S. Francisco and Sir Samuel Versosa. R.S. Francisco, baka napanood nyo na po siya sa TV before. Si Direk R.S., lumalabas po siya sa mga teleseries like Magkaribal po sa ABS-CBN, in which ang lead cast po doon was Bea Alonzo Angel Aquino, and Gretchen Barreto. Siya po dun si Gianfranco, yung kontrabidang umaaway-away kay Bea. Pero ang latest teleserye po niya was Princess and I, in which ang lead cast po dun was Daniel Padilla and Kathleen Bernardo. Siya naman dun si Dorji. Siya naman dun yung kanang kamay ni Gretchen Barreto. Pero ang main profession niya po talaga, he's a commercial director. Kung familiar po kayo sa commercials like GSM Blue ni Ann Curtis, Fit and Right ni Marian Rivera, Sky Fake Fit ni Zerico Rosales, Group Tattoo ni Sari Geronimo, yun po yung mga commercials na ginawa niya. 80 to 90% po ng mga commercials na napapanood natin on TV, siya po ang nag-direct. And aside from Direct R.S. Francisco, we also have Engineer Samuel Versosa. Both of them are from UP Diliman. Pero si Sir Sam naman, he's from UP, top 2 board passer, civil engineer. But the catch is, hindi na po siya nagtrabaho. Kasi as a UP graduate and top 2 board passer, kung siya po ay magtatrabaho, ang i-offer lang po sa kanya was basic salary. So what he did, he ventured out into business. At yung negosyo po na pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon, sila po mismong dalawa ginawa nila before. At sa sobrang ganda po ng ganitong klaseng business, na-feature po tayo sa All New Power 88. Now, what's with All New Power 88? Sa dinami-dami ng negosyo in the Philippines, top 88 lang po ang nakakasama dyan. At ang maganda po doon, kasama po yung owners natin dun sa top 88. Kaya na-feature din po tayo sa Star Magic 2010, Star Magic 2011, we also have Kabuhayang Swak na Swak, even DZMM, and Metro Magazine, and a lot more. Now, ang tanong naman ng marami, Miss Ali, paano ba ako makakapag-join ng front row? Paano ba ako makakapag-start? Since may mga products po ako na pinakita sa inyo kanina, yung mga products na po na yun, nakapackage po sila. So here, you just have to simply avail a package for you to become a member kasi hindi ka naman pwede mag-endorse ng isang bagay na hindi mo man lang siya sinusubukan. So you could try the whitening package, the slimming package, anti-aging, or if you want to try everything, you could try the All-Star package. Now, ang tanong is magkano naman yan for every package? Yung package natin, it would cost you for only, it's for 10,988. Now, with your 10,988, you'll be having the products, the benefits, the services, but at the same time, hindi lang sa package. Meron din kaming tinatawag na micro business opportunity with your 10,988 in which pwede kang kumita as much as 600,000 pesos every month by doing the business. Pero hindi po yan magic. Hindi po yan pagsali mo ngayon, bukas may 600,000 ka na. Of course, we have ways to earn that. We have 3 ways of earning dito po sa front row. Yung first way is what we call product sales or direct selling. Kasi automatically, once member po kayo ng front row, you'll be having 50% of discount po sa lahat ng products. So for example, ang Lux White Enhanced glutathione po natin is for 2,980, 60 capsules enhanced type, meaning high quality product. Since you got a 50% of discount, makukuha mo siya for 1,490 na lang. So kung ibenta mo man siya ng 2,980, 1,490 rin ang tubo mo, you got 100% profit. Pero dito po, walang pressure. You may sell or you may not. Kasi wala po tayong quota. For example, ako po, I don't sell products. Hindi po ako mahilig magbenta. Pero ang ginawa ko po, yung package ko po na binili ko po sa front row, ginamit ko. At yung mga friends ko, nung nakita sa akin yung effect, kahit hindi po ako nag-aalok, sila na po mismo ang nagtatanong sa akin. Kaya ang maganda po doon, nakasama po ako sa product sales through incentives po ng front row. So I was able to go to different countries because of front row. At ang maganda po nito, these are all for free. Libre lang po yan. Accommodation, plane ticket, sagot po yan ng kumpanya. So imagine, with my 10,988, nakapunta po ako ng ibang bansa, dun pa lang, bawing-bawi na po ako, which is first way pa lang po yan. Iba pa po yung second way and yung third way. Now, for the second way, we have what we call direct sales commission. That would be 1,000 for every front row package sold. Meaning, ang gagawin niyo po, i-refer niyo lang po sa amin yung mga friends ninyo and then we'll explain them the business, the company, or papakita din po natin yung video na to at pag nagustuhan po nila yung front row at bumili po sila ng package, automatically you'll be having 1,000 for each. For example, if you got 5 friends, you'll be having 5,000. If you got 10 friends, you'll be having 10,000. If you got 20 friends, meron po kayong 20,000 pesos. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Pero ang mas maganda pa po dun is yung number 3, which is yung group sales commission of additional 2,000 pesos for every sales match. Ngayon, paano ba yan? For example po, in my case, when I joined Front Row, nagkaroon po ako ng permanent account. At yung account ko po, na-divide po yan into 2. I got my left sales force and my right sales force. Now, nung sinimulan ko po yung negosyo ko, kinailangan ko lang po ng dalawa to start. For example, yung dalawang friends ko po, pangalanan ko po sila. That would be si friend A at si friend B. Kung mapapansin nyo, with my 2 friends, I got 2,000 pesos. Now, since meron po ako sa left, and then meron din po ako sa right, times 2,000, that would be additional 2,000. So, that would be a total of 4,000. Yung 4,000 ko na po yan, nag-refer lang po ako sa front row, and explain lang po namin yung company, and then nung bumili po sila ng package, automatically, I got 4,000 pesos. At ang mas maganda po po doon, si friend A at si friend B, may tig-dalawang friends din yan. So, if friend A nag-refer ng dalawa, si friend B nag-refer din ng dalawa, under po sila ng organization ko, left and right, 2,000, and left and right, 2,000 pa rin po yan. So, I got a total of 8,000 already. Almost bawi ko na yung 10,988. But if you got another friend, may isa ka pang kaibigan, pwede mo siyang ilagay kay A or kay B, mamimili ka lang. Pero kung mas close sa'yo si friend A, nilagay mo siya dito, ang tawag namin dyan is yung spillover system or yung tulungan system. Though yung 1,000 sa akin po napunta, yung friend ni friend A, isa na lang po yung kailangan niya, magkakaroon din siya ng sales match. Pero itong dalawang pong ito, kumbaga nag-aantay lang po yan ng kapare sa kabila. Ang maganda po doon, wala po siyang expiration date. Even after 1 week, 2 weeks, or even 1 month, as long as malagyan po yan sa kabila, left and right 2,000, left and right 2,000 pa rin po yan. So that would be a total of 13,000. So kung mapapansin niyo po, with my 10,988, nagkaroon po ako ng products, ng benefits, ng services, ng tour incentives. When I did the business, nung nabawi ko na po yung puhunan ko, itong mga tao po sa organization ko, malamang sa malamang, babawi din po yan. Lalo na, sa panahon po ngayon, wala pong tao naglalabas ng pera para wala lang. Ibig sabihin, pag nakabawi lang din po sila, your income just goes infinite. Magtutuloy-tuloy lang din po yan. So, ang maganda po doon, kahit hindi siya pantay-pantay, as long as you have your left and right, magmamatch pa rin po yan. For example, for sa left, for sa right, times 2,000 pesos, you'll be having 8,000. And then, for every 5th sales match, yung pang-limang sales match po natin, meron po tayong makuhang 2,000 pesos worth of gift certificate na pwede kang bumili ng products na hindi ka na kailangan pang maglabas ng pera. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang simple lang po ng kitaan sa front row. At ang maganda po doon, ang kitaan po natin is every Friday, linggo-linggo. So you don't have to wait for quincenas katapusan or every month na income. Dito po sa front row, every Friday, kumbaga doon po namin na-enjoy yung extra income po namin na binibigay ng front row. But this might be your question. Marami po kasi nagsasabi sa akin na, Miss Ali, naka-encounter na ako ng ganyang business. Hindi ba sa ganyang klase ng negosyo, kung sino yung nauuna, yan lang naman ang kumikita ng malaki? Actually guys, sa front row po, we have what we call safety net. Now, with the safety net, dito ko po ipapakita sa inyo na fair po yung business natin. Meaning, walang nauna, walang nahuli. Yes, kasi once you join, you'll be having a maximum of 15 sales match in one day. Meaning, 15 sa left, 15 sa right, times 2,000 pesos, that's a maximum of 30,000 in one day transaction. Since you got 5 working days times 5, that goes 150,000 pesos in 1 week. And since we got 4 weeks in a month, that goes 600,000 pesos in 1 month. So ngayon, paano ba yung sinasabi natin walang nauna, walang nahuli? Bigyan ko po na kayo ng example. For example, in your case, bagong member ka pa lang. In 1 day transaction, you got 16 left and right. And then ako, since mas nauna po ako sa inyo, I got 13 left and right. Now, let's compare. Magkano kikitain mo at magkano kikitain ko sa loob po ng isang araw. 16 times 2,000, you'll be having 32,000. 30 times 2,000, for me, I'll be having 60,000 pesos. So, kung mapapansin nyo, since nauna po ako sa inyo, mas malaking income ko. Pero kung babalikan po natin yung safety net, magkano lang po ba ang pwede natin kitain sa loob ng isang araw? It would only be 30,000 per day lang. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo kikitain yung 32, hindi ko rin kikitain 60,000. Ang mangyari po dyan, parehas lang kaming 30,000 lang. Diba? So dito po, walang nauna, walang nahuli. But the question is, yung 2,000 po na sumobra sa inyo and yung 30,000 po na sumobra sa akin, saan naman po kaya ngayon napunta? So everything excess, it goes up to the companies for the product development, over expenses, bayad sa tao, sa renta, sa tubig. Lahat po yan, sagot ng kumpanya. Ikaw, ang pinakapuhunan mo lang is the 10,988. Bumili ka lang ng products, you have the benefits and services that are incentives from the company, and at the same time, you have the business. So, yung negosyo po natin, it's just as easy as 1, 2, 3. Number 1, if you want to go for the products, pwede ka maging user, pwede ka maging seller. Number 2, if you want to invite your friends, i-refer nyo lang po sila sa amin, kami po ang mag-explain, you'll be having 1,000 for each referral. And then number 3, yung mga na-refer mo, kapag nakapag-refer din po sila, as long as you have your left and right, may bonus po yun na additional 2,000 pesos for every sales match. So if you wanted to try this kind of business, it's not magic, guys. Dito may sistema po kami kung paano namin siya ginagawa, and all you have to do is to ask us how we do it and how we could help you. So for inquiries, you may contact me. Andyan po yung name ko sa Facebook and yung page ko po. So guys, just feel free to ask me anything you want to ask. So have a nice day. Thank you and God bless po sa inyong lahat.